I know everyone has their own fucking version of this, but no one did it like me. Marcy Beats. Okay, it's Tyler Ho, all about my bills like Buffalo. Your bitch under my sheets, I heard she wasn't undercover, ho. Purple got me moving slow, but I got the weed, I'll deliver like dominoes. I like my women how I like my drugs white. Sorta like this beat, I'm feeling kinda tight like my bitch if she wasn't a dyke. Motorcyclist and stab a clit with some glasses shit. See, I'm enhancing my beat and my flow is so neat. I'm running over you haters like I got some fucking cleats. You see, I'm Marcy Beats. I make you get up out your seats. I got some honey nut O's and I'm puffing on some mini wheats. It's that drop top phantom chop driving down your block with two doors minus the top. All you see is my head and shoulders like a jack in the box. It's that smoke session, so count your blessings. And their groupies hold their boobies up in my direction. Can't get past through me with you going through my section. Richer than the richest, call that my Ruby flow. I drop the top like Janet at the Super Bowl.